So you can keep trying. I'm just loving this. Hello guys and welcome to a brand new episode of Foodie and the Feast. आज मैं ट्राई करने वाला हूँ आंध्रा कुजीन. मैं हूँ मुंबई में and I am visiting this restaurant called Avakai, the Andhra Kitchen. तो देर किस बात की, चलते हैं, आओ मेरे साथ. I have this grand Andhra feast in front of me right now. And I have one of the partners sitting with me, Mr. Subhash Rao. First question right up. I want to know, what does Avakai mean?
Avakai is one of the many pickles. It's essentially a mango pickle.
Okay.
Very, very unique pickle to the region of
Okay.
the Telugu land, I would rather call it.
Okay.
Now it's Telangana and Andhra.
Correct. I think I'm going to start with the shorba. This looks fabulous. I can't wait to eat. My mouth's already watering. So I'm going to begin. Wow, so rich, so flavorful. It's warm, so comforting. There's that spice hit towards the end, and the mutton is so nice. There's the coriander, the bites, which sort of cut the spice levels. I think it's a fabulous start. अगला क्या ट्राई करें सर?
Mirpakai bhaji or the mirchi
मिर्पकाई
bhaji.
भजी और द मिर्ची भजी.
It's a good evening snack which everybody in Hyderabad would really like to have.
So I think it looks fantastic. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, it's stuffed with tomatoes, onions, this really nice bright green chutney. I can't wait. I'm going in. It's nice, hot. The onions and tomatoes make it fabulous. It's just that वो मिर्ची के पकोड़े को, that added kick, that extra punch, the tomato onions, masterpiece. And the chutney is nice, spicy again, very fresh. Love this. Okay, Subhash, what should I have next?
You may try the chicken 65. Chicken 65, you would have heard a lot of stories. Some even say 65-day-old bird, but who sits and wants to...
65-day-old chicken.
Yeah, I mean...
मैं तो नहीं खाऊंगा.
There's nothing as a date mentioned on when it was born. So it's all crap. Actually, what I think and what I've heard, the most authentic is, it was the 65th on the menu at Officers Training Academy, Chennai.
Okay.
And that was the chef's specialty. And most of our army folks are the North Indian guys who would find it difficult to pronounce the South Indian lingo. So they would say 65 wali chicken le aaja.
अच्छा वो जो मेन्यू में 65th है वो ले आना.
That's how.
And that's
I would love to believe that because that
makes for a better story also.
And this is not a Chinese dish. Let me put it.
Not a Chinese dish, guys.
Yup. It's a complete South Indian dish. It has got curry leaves and it's tossed in yogurt and the masalas.
And not 65
And not 65
ingredients.
masalas.
So
Yep.
sir, please
Thanks.
dig in with me. Chicken 65, guys. I'm just going at it. This is so good, so full of flavor. You can taste the curry leaves, the yogurt. It has that spice in the end. बहुत ही अच्छा है. मैं तो खा ही जा रहा हूँ. Sorry, और एक तो खाना पड़ेगा. Sir, tell me, what should I go for next?
Now this is called the Gongura Mamsam. Gongura is in Marathi they call it Ambadi.
Ambadi.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
It's called sorrel leaves in English.
Okay.
It has a slight tangy taste to it, but it's brilliant when it is made with non-veg. And
Nice.
this is Gongura Mamsam, that is mutton made in with the Gongura paste.
I'll try it with the...
Take a Malbari paratha.
Okay, this is...
It's a flaky
Correct.
paratha.
I am going to dig in. जैसे ही तोड़ रहा हूँ, I can hear the flakes coming off. Okay, this looks very interesting. Very tangy. That's like sir rightly said. Andhra food, there's a lot of tangy, there's spicy.
Yeah, there is an underlying tanginess to the South Indian cuisine.
It is, and this is a very new flavor for me. Mutton with this tangy flavor. This is not spicy. बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can taste the leaves. There's tanginess. The mutton is cooked perfectly. I really like this. It's a new flavor, new dish. Fabulous.
You may
But-
try, this is called the Nellore Chapa Pulsu. Pulsu
Okay.
is a tamarind based product, and this is
So-
something to go with rice.
Okay, so I'll have it with the rice.
You can actually,
I'll take some of the rice.
chapala means fish in Telugu.
Love the color. The fragrance is brilliant. So this is like the Andhra fish curry rice version.
You may call it that way.
I may call it that. So I can't wait to have this. The curry looks so good. The masala, give it a nice mix. Okay, so here is the rice and the It's packed full of flavor. Mustard hai, the curry leaves, not spicy at all. Full of flavor. Fish is cooked perfectly. And just with plain simple rice, क्या लगता है? लाजवाब. तो now we're moving to another segment और काफ़ी बात की जाती है हैदराबादी बिरयानी की. तो I think we've reached that point और अब हम खाने वाले हैं the हैदराबादी बिरयानी.
The Hyderabadi biryani essentially is slightly a drier biryani
Okay.
than what you get from the Lucknow and all that.
Correct.
And the spices and the way it is prepared is a little different. Biryani is incomplete without a mirchi ka salan. Mirchi ka salan is a peanut-based gravy.
Oh, very interesting. Oh yeah,
Not
I can
very
see.
spicy, but it has got a lot of flavor. You just add that to your biryani.
This is the first biryani with mirchi ka salan. They say when you don't have much to say,
You don't have words for it.
matlab, my
Just
reaction would have said it all.
enjoy. Just enjoy.
I am absolutely enjoying this. The mirchi ka salan is the jackpot.
No Indian meal is
Complete without dessert.
This
Okay.
is called the Putareku.
Putaretu. And what
Reku.
does Reku?
Yeah. And it is essentially made in a particular village in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try and get this off.
No, that's not. You just need to
Wait.
pick up that piece.
I thought it's like some.
No, there's no
Paper.
wrapper. Just pick it up. It's not plastic.
Okay, wow. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm just joking. I'm just gonna.
And allow it to melt in your mouth. Now to tell you what it is. These are rice sheets with ghee, jaggery and dry fruits.
So you can keep trying. I'm just loving this. Not too heavy. It just, like Sir rightly said, it just melts. Putareku, thank you so much for introducing us to this. This was an absolute delight. Andhra cuisine at its finest. The bhajiyas, chicken 65, the fish, the amazing Hyderabadi biryani, the dessert. Simple food but so yummy. So much variety all in one region. That's Andhra food. You guys have to try it. And if you guys are in Bombay, please visit Avakai in Kandivali, Mumbai. Thank you so much for having us here.
Always welcome.
This was an absolute delight. You guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to The Foodie. And we're gonna come back with more episodes and more such amazing cuisine on Foodie and the Feast. So go click on that subscribe button. I'll see you soon. Ciao.